Welcome to Hilarious English 101, the only class where bad grammar gets extra credit and the teacher gives you laughing homework. Here, we'll turn your English bloopers into comedy gold and teach you the kind of English your textbooks forgot to mention, like how to order pizza with confidence or accidentally flirt with your barista. If you laughed even a little or just felt sorry for me, hit that like button so hard it gets an A+. Share this video like it's a gossip secret and don't forget to subscribe. Seriously, click that subscribe button. It's free, unlike my therapy sessions after making these videos. How's that? Want me to add more spice?
Today, I want to speak to you about something powerful. Something that resides in each of us, but often lies dormant, waiting for the right spark. That something is our potential. It's our ability to turn ordinary tasks into extraordinary achievements and transform our daily efforts into meaningful contributions. Every single one of you here today has a unique set of skills, talents, and ideas. You may not realize it, but you are the architects of greatness in your own lives and in this organization. Imagine what we can achieve if we all bring our best selves to the table every single day. But how do we stay motivated? How do we ensure our energy, enthusiasm, and commitment don't waver in the face of challenges? The answer lies in perspective. Think of a diamond. Before it dazzles with brilliance, it's just a rough stone. It undergoes immense pressure and meticulous shaping before it shines. That's us too. Challenges are not setbacks. They're opportunities for growth. They're the crucible where our potential gets refined into excellence. Let's talk about the power of purpose. Ask yourself, why do I do what I do? Is it just a paycheck, or is it something deeper? The truth is, every role in this team contributes to something bigger than ourselves. Whether you're designing, building, organizing, or innovating, your work is part of a greater mission. When you connect with that purpose, every task, no matter how small, takes on new meaning. And then there's the magic of collaboration. Look around you. The people you see are not just colleagues. They are teammates, partners in success. Together, we have the power to overcome obstacles, brainstorm groundbreaking ideas, and achieve remarkable milestones. When one of us stumbles, the rest are here to lift them up. When one of us succeeds, we all succeed. But motivation isn't just about big dreams. It's also about the little things we do each day. It's about showing up with energy, setting goals, and celebrating small wins. Success is not one giant leap. It's a series of consistent steps. Remember, even the tallest mountain is climbed one step at a time. Let me leave you with this thought. You are capable of more than you think. Your potential knows no limits. Every effort you put in today is an investment in a brighter tomorrow, not just for this organization, but for yourself. So, let's embrace every challenge with a positive mindset. Let's inspire each other with our passion. And let's remind ourselves daily that the work we do matters, not just to the company, but to the world around us. Together, we are unstoppable. Let's get out there and make today and every day a masterpiece. Thank you.